every so often, when there's, if you're in port, the guys in the boiler rooms shut down everything and they have to go inside the boilers. There's tubes in there. There must seem like about 1,000 tubes in there that go all around the boiler. That's where the water goes through. You have to get in there what they call punch tubes. And there's this pneumatic drill that goes in there and cleans all them tubes out.
And that was probably the worst job I ever did, was short punch in the mud drum. It was actually technically the water drum, but we called it the mud drum because if there was any residue in the water, it would settle out in the bottom. And then somebody, me, would have to go in the bottom in the mud drum and short punch back up. So it was 3 or 4 or 5 inches every tube. It wasn't too good on my lungs, but somebody had to do the dirty work.
Them guys come out of there, they're just like the color of that blacktop out there on the highway. It's so sooty and dirty, but it's got to be done.